Anytime I expose people to great ideas makes me so happy. Mark Roberge is a content marketing genius and one of the brightest minds I know. In today's video, I'll break down 5 great tips from him on growing your business. Hey, this is Syed Mohsin, a residential real estate broker, team owner, and founder here at Real Estate Sales Machine Academy. If this is your first time visiting my channel, make sure to hit subscribe below to get more insights on how to grow your real estate business. So tip number 1, use the data. One of Mark's biggest messages is that we need to be more data driven in everything we do in sales. That includes hiring, training, managing. The good news is sales is one of the most highly quantifiable pursuits out there. So it makes it easy to use data to evaluate our effectiveness. Mark says if you want to sleep better at night, bring more predictability to your business. It's essential that you track and measure your numbers. Doing so will give you more control and give you more insight into whether or not you are on track to hit your goal. Tip number 2, recognize that the internet changed sales forever. The sales process has changed significantly since the advent of the internet. Perhaps nowhere is this truer than in real estate, where people once were forced to speak with a salesperson to find out about a house. Now all that information is available online. That means your role needs to go beyond telling people about the product. Mark says you need to step up and connect instead of just pushing your product. Even when you are talking about a house, you need to deliver your message in a way that a website cannot. Tip number 3, split your content 1/3 versus 2/3. When it comes to your content marketing, Mark says many agents are missing a huge opportunity. In fact, he called it one of the biggest opportunities I don't see real estate agents going after. It's not enough to simply create your own content. That stuff should comprise 1/3 of your total content output. Mark says the other 2/3 should be promoting the content of prominent local thought leaders, industry experts, and the like. Mark advises to make a list of 10, 20, 50 people in your area who have a strong following, whether it's the mayor of your town or local journalists, and promote their stuff. This achieves 2 important objectives. If you do this consistently, over time you will establish yourself as a source of local information, as someone people follow to stay abreast of everything going on in your local market. It creates favors from people with influence. These people with big followings are likely to promote your content when you have valuable information to share. Tip number 4, strive to fulfill Mark's 5 traits of great salesperson. In Mark's book, he identifies 5 traits of great salesperson. How many of these do you possess? Coachability, curiosity, prior success, intelligence, work ethic. He defines coachability as having an openness to coaching and ability to apply, saying some have one or the other, but the ideal salesperson is both. How coachable are you? Tip number 5, get out of your own way. Your ability to grow your business is limited by how much you need to be involved. Mark says whatever your business is, dependent on you is a blocker to scale. He says to test how much business relies on you. Play out various scenarios. If you were out of the picture, what would break without your direct involvement? In 1 day, 3 days, in a week. The more you can automate and delegate, the greater your ability to scale your business. Tell me your biggest takeaway in the comments below. And as always, if you find this content useful, like and follow my channel and check out my other videos to get insights to grow your real estate business.